Hello and welcome. This is Dee from CreateLoveShare. I have an unboxing for you today. What a great way to kick off the new year is with my first unboxing. So this one is from a company called Kygmw. They are a direct tapestry factory. So they contacted me in November last year to see if I would be interested in unboxing a few of their products. So I jumped online and had a look at their online store, and I've chosen a few different designs that I'd like to show you. So I am filming this on my kitchen table because it is much bigger. I have a little bit more space to show you. So without further ado, let's get stuck into it and have a look at these. So this package was actually sent I think early December. So it's a bit late. It got kind of caught up in all the Christmas shipping delays and all that sort of thing. So I'm so excited that it finally actually arrived. So they did actually ship it well in advance. It's just got caught up and stuff. So anyway, it comes in your plastic bag, and we've got, ooh, that's cool. So what have we got? We've got 1, 2, and 3. Cool. All right, so we will start off with that one. So it comes in this really nice bag actually, and it's one of these sort of pull zip bags. That's pretty cool. You get your little inventory sheet, and inside you have one of these guys here. So already I'm noticing that the edges are overlocked, so they are hemmed. And let's have a look. Now they've got three different design sizes. So I chose the small ones of these ones, but you can go much bigger. They have small, medium, and large. I chose the small. Oh wow. Ooh, I like that. So I got these wolf ones. Oh, they're so pretty. I can't fit it in the shot though. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So I chose this wolf one because I really love the colors. I love the design layout. Wow, that is so pretty. So I'm just having a feel of this fabric. It's kind of, I don't know how you describe it. It's kind of silky-ish, like satiny-ish. It's very lightweight. It feels very nice actually. Wow, that's really pretty. So I think this size is 100 by 75 centimeters. And I think the large size goes up to 200 centimeters by something or other, so you can get them quite big. But I got a little place and I don't have much room, so I thought, no, I'll stick with the little ones. But it's not so little. It's actually a decent size. Wow, that is so cool. That's sort of a bit of a close-up. So it's quite detailed actually. I wasn't really sure what to expect because on the website, and they do have a lot of different designs, and they're all in categories too. So if you're sort of only wanting animals or only wanting Christmas or something like that, you can go straight to the category that you're after. But I like how you can get them in different sizes, but I sort of wasn't sure of the detail and everything. They looked good on the website, and they're looking pretty good on camera. That is gorgeous. Wow. So that is tapestry number 1. I'll pop him over there. And tapestry number 2. So because I could get a couple of tapestries, I actually said to my son, if you want to pick one out, you can pick one out. Which he did. So this is the one he's picked out, and he had a hard time deciding which one he wanted. but they have a lot of dragon ones on there, so I thought, ooh, he'll be interested in that, which he was. Get him out of those nice pouches. Let's have a look at this. He had a hard time deciding, actually. It was down to 2 different ones, and he chose this one. Wow. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow, he's going to love that. That's amazing. Let's bring it up a bit so you can have a look at the bottom. So look at that background. I must say I'm quite impressed. That is awesome. Wow. So again with the detail, it's like beautiful watercolory sort of effect. That is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? And you got the dragon in the background there. Dragon in the background. Where is he? Where are you? Wow. Oh, he's going to absolutely love that. So he had a hard time deciding because he wants to hang this one up and he couldn't decide between this one and another one, and he decided he wanted them both, and I said, no, you're not having 2 of them, you can only have 1. So I was just going to wait and see how they sort of looked, and yeah, if I was happy with the quality, then we'd go ahead and order the other one that he wants. It's a red dragon, and he has exactly the spot picked out where he wants to hang them both. So having a look at this, we are definitely going to be placing an order for that red one. And look at that, I love the background. The detail is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll go on to the third one. Again, it comes in your pouch. And I love these bags. So that's handy if you do want to store them in the linen closet or anything like that. It keeps them nice and clean and dust free, which is really handy, or you can use it for your crafts. Again, your inventory sheet. Okay, so this one, I actually ordered a Christmas one because at that stage Christmas was coming. But as I said, it did get caught up in all the shipping delays, so that is fair enough. But I couldn't resist. I absolutely loved this. So pretty. And you've got the deer in the corner there, and the snowman in the background. I love the trees. Don't the trees look awesome? And you got Santa up the top there. Like a bird. Again, the detail is just gorgeous. And the snowflakes, like the images are nice and sharp and clear. And one thing I have noticed actually is the depth perception on these. So you've got like, I'll show you a bit closer, but you've got like in the background your buildings and your trees are slightly blurred, and then you've got the other things like your Santa and your snowman and the birds are nice and sharp and clear, so it gives you that depth perception there, which I really, really like. And the snowflakes are nice and clear too. So I'll show you a close-up of that in a second. I am trying to get most of this in the shop, and this is just a small one, so imagine my struggles with the bigger ones. So doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? And then you've got the bridge down the bottom there. If I can get on there, you've got the bridge down the bottom and the water. It's just gorgeous. Oh, wow. So, as I was saying, see how sharp and clear the penguin is and the snowman, and you can see the building behind it, and the trees are slightly blurry, so it really gives you that 3D effect It's quite impressive actually. It's just beautiful. And you know, again, the detail. So you've got like, there's the water, and you get the reeds down the bottom. It's just gorgeous. Let's see if I can show you Santa. Hang on, I'll fold it. There we go. So there's Santa, the reindeer. So it's beautiful and sharp and clear and very well detailed. And I love the beautiful pinks and blues in the background. There's another bird. There's just so much in this. It's just impressive. I love that. So pretty. There you go. So again, this size was 100 by 75 centimeters. Any bigger and I'd be struggling. So I chose one Christmas one, and I got one for me personally and one for my son personally, which they're just going to look absolutely gorgeous hanging up. So what I will be doing is there will be 2 videos on these products. The first one is this one, which is the unboxing, and the next video I will be showing you how I'm going to use these tapestries. So what I'm going to use them for, and I've got some really good ideas, I think. So I'll be bringing that video out probably in a week's time, just to sort of show you what I'm going to do with these guys. So wow, I'm really impressed. So keep your eyes peeled for that second video, because I do have some good ideas, or at least I think they're good. Yeah, so there you go. There's my Christmas one, and I'll give it a bit of an iron and see how well it irons out. Obviously being folded up, it's got a couple of creases. So we've got my Christmas one. We've got the stunning dragon. There he is. Stunning dragon one. And the beautiful wolves. Again, they're nice and lightweight, which is really good actually. And I don't think it's really going to fray or pool. Like, I have some sort of tablecloths that I bought overseas while on holiday, and just every tiny little thing it would pool. I have all these little thin threads everywhere, but this is a different kind of material and it doesn't look like it'll fray too easily. So that's really good. So there is my wolves. So 3 beautiful tapestries from Kygmw. If you're looking for this sort of stuff, they have so many different designs. It was so hard to choose just 3, and as I said before, we will be making another order, and I'm sure I'm going to get another one for myself as well. So yeah, I don't know which one though. We'll worry about that later. So there you go. That's what I got from Kygmw. Go check out their website. Lots and lots to choose from, and keep your eyes peeled for the part 2 video of this one showing you how I will be using them. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!